Okay, on your Nautilus pool vacuum robot, and a lot of other brands too, but I'm showing you this model, they have these rubber tracks, almost like it's a miniature tank. And it's not uncommon for these to get really old and brittle, and they can absolutely break or fall off the track. So I'm gonna put an affiliate link in this video description and as well in the comments to purchase a replacement set of these tracks. And to put them on, it's incredibly easy. It involves no tools. These are basically glorified rubber bands, so they do stretch. And even though I'm not gonna do it, I will show you that you can pull it right off of the gear, and you can see that there's teeth. So you just slip the entire thing off if you need to take the old one off, and then for the new ones, you can just stretch them. And again, you just put the teeth into the gear teeth like this. And if you need it to stretch out a little bit, just put it out in the sun, and that will help give it some more elasticity. So again, the link to buy these is going to be in the description. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.